Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well and enjoying your class activities and study at home. Okay, dear children, uh, nowadays you are not coming to school, so it doesn't mean that you don't follow your daily habits like uh, get sleep on time, okay, wake up on time, bath daily, okay, take bath daily, brush your teeth, comb your hair, and wear very clean dress, okay, because if you will keep yourself clean, you will stay healthy, okay. Do you remember your nursery rhyme, है ना? Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Like this poem, this is not only poem, okay, it teaches you that you should wake up on time, you should sleep on time, you should take bath daily, and you should keep yourself clean, okay, then you will stay healthy, wealthy and wise. Wise means a lot of mind, okay. So if you will keep yourself healthy and if you will be on time, so it will help you to stay healthy, wealthy and wise, okay. So you should do everything on time, beta. And yes, the most important thing is that you should obey your parents, you should respect your parents, you should listen them, because teacher is not with you nowadays, okay, you are staying at home, so parents are with you all the time. So beta, you should listen to them. mama papa क्या बोलते हैं, you should always follow them. जैसे भी वो बोलते हैं आपको वही फॉलो करना है, ओके. दे आर इक्वल टू गॉड, ओके. सो यू शुड ओबे देम बेटा. yes, so you have to remember these good habits and follow it, okay. Now we will start our today class. As noun and grammar topic, noun and the alphabet is done in class, है ना. Myself is also done, and in Marigold we have done unit 1, first day at school, and Haldi's adventure, है ना. Both are done, like new words, word meaning, question answers, and book exercise. Book exercise is discussed, and rest of the part I have sent you in written on WhatsApp group. But फिर भी if there is any child who did not get these things, तो he can or she can message me personally, okay. I will provide you. So we will start today with our second unit, that is a poem. I am lucky. What is lucky? Do you know? Lucky means feeling of happiness, okay. When you feel happy and you feel proud कि wow, I'm so, what you say, oh wow, I'm so lucky, it means you feel happy. The feeling of happiness you can say is lucky. So this poem is written about a girl. See, you can see the picture of a girl here, okay, and this poem telling us her feelings, okay. In this poem she is expressing her feelings, okay, how she feel, okay. So shall we start the poem, beta? If you are having book, you can recite from there, and if you are not having book, so you can see on the phone image, okay. So we shall recite together. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. See, the girl is saying if she were be a butterfly, she would be thankful for her wings, because now she is a girl, she is not having any wings, okay. And if she were a butterfly, she would have wings, okay, and then she would be thankful for that. Butterfly बनके उसको wings मिलते and she would fly, so she would be thankful. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. And next she is saying, okay, if I were a manna in a tree, then also I would be thankful. Why? Because that time she could sing, okay. Have you ever listened a song of manna? she sings so sweetly, beta. Okay, so the girl is saying if she were a manna, then she would be thankful for her voice that she could sing. So next she is saying, if I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Wriggle. Beta, this word is wriggle, though it begins with W, but in this word W is silent and we will pronounce wriggle. Wriggle. Then I can wriggle and giggle with glee. And she is saying that if she were a fish in the sea, then she would be thankful for that she can wriggle and giggle with glee. बहुत मस्ती के साथ वो, ठीक है, स्विमिंग कर सकती है, सी में एंजॉय कर सकती है. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. But lastly she said कि I think that I am lucky. I am very lucky to be me. That कि she is saying कि मैं बहुत lucky हूँ कि मैं हूँ. Not you but me. मैं तुम नहीं हूँ. I am not a butterfly, not a fish, not a manna. मैं हूँ, उसके लिए मैं बहुत lucky हूँ. It shows that the girl feels happy with what she is. Okay. So this poem teaches us that we should remain happy with what we are. God has made all of us, beta. Okay, so we should thank to God for what we are. उन्होंने हमें जैसा बनाया है, God ने हमें वैसे ही lucky feel करना चाहिए, proud feel करना चाहिए, happy feel करना चाहिए. We should feel happy that we are very good in ourselves. Okay, we are the best in ourselves. Okay, so I think it is enough for today. So as we have done nouns in our earlier classes, so we can discuss noun also. Okay, so we will try to pick up the nouns in the poem, so you will help me. Okay, we will do it together. If I were a butterfly. So word butterfly is a noun. It's a name of an animal. I would be thankful for my wings. Wings is a name of thing. If I were a manna. Manna is a name of an animal. Tree again is a name of thing. I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea. Fish is the name of an animal and sea is name of a place. I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. So there are 6 nouns given in this passage. Okay, butterfly, wings, manna, tree, fish and sea. Okay, so one more thing I will tell you. When we do a rhyme, there are rhyming words. Okay, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words, the words, a pair of words with same sound. Okay, the words, those have same sounds. Okay, those are called rhyming words. So we will try to find a rhyming word. We will check the last word of sentence. Okay, and will match the sounds. Butterfly, thankful, wings, tree, thankful, sings, sea, thankful, glee, me. Only last word. Okay, so the sound of wings match to the sound of sing. Wing, sing. And the sound of tree match to sound of sea. Tree, sea. And glee match to me. The sound of glee match to the sound of me. So there are 3 pairs of rhyming words: wing, sing, tree, sea, glee, me. Okay, so dear children, I think we should stop here. We will continue tomorrow. Now your part is that you will recite the poem at home, and now you on your own will try to find the rhyming words and noun as well. Okay, so bye bye for today. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care of you.